Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic resistivity. Resistivity is the resistance of a wire of length 1 meter and cross-section area 1 meter square. So to find expression about resistivity or explain about resistivity, we have to discuss about the factor on which the resistance of a wire depends. So these are the following factors on which the resistance of a wire depends. First factor is that the resistance of a wire is directly the resistance of the conductor depends upon the nature of material. Nature of material means the resistivity of a material change with its nature. It means the resistivity of iron material is different the resistivity of copper material. It means the resistance of a wire is depend upon nature of material. Okay. Second, the resistance of a wire is directly proportional to the length of wire or conductor. Okay. It means if the length of a conductor is L, then R proportional to L. It means when length of a conductor is increased, then the resistance of wire or conductor is also increased. Okay, and this is equation first. Third, this is another important factor on which the resistance of the wire depends. The resistance of a wire is inversely proportional to the cross-section area of wire of conductor. Area of conductor. It means R inversely proportional to area. This is equation second. Okay. Then another factor on which the resistance of wire depends. Another factor is temperature. The resistance of a wire is also depend upon temperature, because at a normal temperature electron moving with its thermal speed, but when the temperature of a wire or of a conductor is increased, then free electron, as you know, free electrons are mobile charger in a conductor. So free electron move to start randomly or start to oscillate. It means when electron move randomly and collide to each other, it means the resistance of a wire start to increase. It means the resistance of a wire increase with increase in temperature. Resistance of wire increase with increase in temperature, and the resistance of wire decrease with decrease in temperature. So we have to discuss about this factor in our next video, but today I will discuss about the dependence about length and area. Okay. So by comparing equation first and second, this is equation first and second. So by comparing equation first and second, R proportional to L upon A. This is equation third. Okay. equal to rho L upon A. This quantity is known as resistivity of the material. It is known as rho. Okay. So this is resistivity of material. Material or conductor. Material of conductor. It is also known as specific resistance. Specific resistance. Okay. It means R equal to rho L upon A. This is equation third. Or as you know, in our previous video, we discussed about Ohm's law, and the formula of Ohm's law is R equal to ml n square tau A. R is equal to ml upon n square tau A. That is equation first. This is from Ohm's law. So by comparing equation third and fourth from equation third and fourth, rho L upon A equal to ml upon n square tau A. So this term cancel by, so that it means rho equal to m upon n square tau. It means the resistivity of a conductor is inversely proportional to the density of electron and also proportional to resistivity inversely proportional to the density of free electron. And also inversely proportional to the relaxation time. Okay, so that is resistivity. So as you know, R equal to rho L upon A. So the unit of resistivity, rho equal to R A upon L. So by the formula, SI unit of resistivity is the resistivity of resistance in ohm, meter square and meter. It means that is ohm meter, and the symbol is ohm meter. And CGS unit of resistivity is ohm centimeter. Because the SI and CGS unit of resistance is ohm. SI unit ohm meter and series unit ohm centimeter. Dimension of resistivity equal to the dimension of resistance. As you know, R equal to V upon I, and the dimension of V equal to W upon Q into I. W equal to dimension of curtain is ml2 T minus 2, charge 80, and the dimension of current is A. Between dimension of R equal to ml2 T minus 2 A square T. Between ml2 T minus 3 A minus. Okay, so dimension of resistivity is ml2 T minus 3 A minus 2 into L. It means ml3 T minus 3 A minus. Okay, this is the dimension of resistivity. If we have to define the resistivity, so let R equal to rho L upon A. If L equal to 1 meter and A equal to 1 meter square, then R equal to rho. So resistivity equal to R. It means the resistivity of a conductor or the resistivity of a material is equal to the resistance if the length is 1 meter and cross section area is 1 meter square. Resistivity of a conductor is equal to the resistance if length is 1 meter and cross section area is 1 meter. Okay, I hope you understood the concept about resistivity. So the next topic of the chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.